code upload is completed. So you can see here it's working now. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is on this tiny Arduino compatible ATTINY88 board. So this is the ATTiny chip and it has two LEDs. This is very small boards and very lightweight also, as compared to the Arduino Nano. Is similar to the size, and it, like the Arduino Nano, comes with a CH340 USB chip, but this board doesn't have a USB chip. Basically it has a firmware which allows it to communicate with the Arduino IDE. So to use this board, you have to first download the Arduino code for this board. You will get this link from the description. Copy this link and go to your Arduino IDE, then open files, then preference, then additional boards, and inside this you add the link. I have already added the link. Then click on OK, then OK. Your Arduino will automatically detect it. Then go to your boards manager and type it mh, and you can see here you have to download this board. So I have already downloaded it. So to dump code into this board, you have to first go to tools, then board, and select the MHT live Tiny88. Just click on the upload button. Then you can see here it's saying plug in the device. So let's plug this device, and it's automatically detected, and it says code upload is completed. So you can see here it's working now. If you see this kind of error, with open a terminal on your Linux machine and execute these commands one by one, and after that you will get it working.